Yo, what's good, y'all? Uh, Welcome back to another video. And I know I didn't make a video Friday. It's cause I wanted to make a video a bit longer today. And yeah, cause next week I'm planning to trade Founded. And yeah, today I'll be making the Friday market analysis, and I'll also be sharing my trading plan to pass that Founded. And yeah, let's go straight to it. Looking at GU. Friday, there was a trade take on GU because if you go on a little bit higher time frame, you see that price is going down, moving down. But even though I saw price stay this low, but it's not relevant. This price is not relevant because price is going down, only down, and this is only a leg down. So let me show you. The price is doing that. Nobody's entering here. That's stupid. They're only entering here if price maybe does that. So maybe if the price did that, so that leg, and if price did like something like this, maybe price this zone was irrelevant. So for me, this zone was irrelevant. So what I did was wait, price take this zone, and then it takes. See how this leg made the push down, and then it takes down here for me, and then I waited for that. Uh, the real because oh my bad, the real because structure right here, and then entered here, easy peasy. Took that little sell here, boom, easy. Same thing pretty much happened on the EU, but less clean. See how price moving down, and then takes. I guess that's London high. It takes London high and then move down more. But I didn't take any trend here. NAS was pretty nice. NAS was pretty nice. Took that right here and then took a sell. But I wasn't looking at NAS, but it was pretty nice, I guess. Yeah, because I took taking a sale somewhere here. And yeah. And I'm trying to like make it quick to go to my trading plan stuff, but uh let me see GPCHF. Oh, trend trend low key might be changing a little bit. Boom, took that hover, takes down. Now we might make a sell a little bit. And gold. I've been telling you to buy gold, bro. It's going up. It's going up. I've been telling you to buy gold since ever since it took this low right here. Told you it's time to buy gold, right? And yeah, and uh, concerning my trading plan, 5 minutes. All right. So my goal is I wake up tomorrow. First thing I'm doing, right? Uh, I wake up tomorrow. First thing I do, up on the chart, check if there is like, or check if there is news or not. But it's not really affecting us. Uh, nah, tomorrow's news is not really affecting us. Um, but first thing is do is check time frame, right? Check the higher time frame. Check higher time frame bias, right? So you go on H1. If you don't like H1, H4, check higher time frame bias, right? Here you see price to this side right here. I don't know why that's it here. But price to this side right here. Moving down ever since then. So price is mostly going down on the big side. When you look for time frame uh bias, what you want to be looking at is FVG that needs to be filled. So you look for FVG that needs to be filled. Uh, a liquidity cycle. I'm not going to do what that is, but liquidity cycle. This is a liquidity cycle. Boom. This is a trap right here. This is liquidity cycle. Uh, you also there is a law called cause and to effect. So the law in cause and effect, it's pretty self-explanatory. So if there is a effect, it's most likely the cause that made it have the effect. Uh, and yeah, so here he's like, oh, there's a little FVG here that needs to be filled. Boom. Now we can continue our thing on the downside. Second step is wait. Wait before you enter, right? So before you enter, you look for a liquidity point to be taken out, right? So let's look at this. Here you don't wanna enter here. You don't wanna enter here. You don't wanna enter here. You wait for that. See that look, that was the point that made the new low. This new low right here. Boom. So you wait for this point to be taken out. Boom. Wait for points to be taken out. It gives you a relevant breakout structure. Boom, you enter here. Easy peasy, right? Easy. And you wait for timings. Timings are important stuff in trading. I know if I didn't know, New York. I'm in Canada, but New York opens normally. New York opens at 9. I'm in Canada, so I wait for the 10. Uh, before that 9 at 8:30. Before that, it's all that is trap, right? And London opens at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So uh, before that, all that is trap. All that is trap. But you can trade even in the Asia too. Asia, the first hour of Asia, so somewhere like ends at like 6 or 8 p.m. for y'all. 6 p.m. for y'all. I put my thing on New York time. 6 p.m. for the first hour is like let's say people don't enter in the first hour of Asia because it's like too much. It's too much. It's spread hours. We call them spread hours. So you gotta know these times to not get yourself useless stop losses. And the third step is wait for confirmations to every before you enter. So me, I wait for a liquidity cycle. I wait for a FVG. I wait for inducement. These are my confirmations before I enter. So let me see. Liquidity cycle. Okay. Liquidity cycle right here. Sorry. Liquidity cycle. And I said inducement. So boom. Then now you can look for a sell. Sorry. Now you can look for a sell. Boom. Takes that. Boom. Inducement right here. If y'all want me to explain this to y'all, let me know. FVG. Oh, FVG right here. VG something like this. And yeah, confirmation. I probably got more on the like uh occasions. It needs to happen occasions. But let me know if y'all want to know. And the last step, my trading is the risk management. Me personally, since I'm more of a aggressive trader, I allow myself to only take 0.55% per trade. Per trade. Per trade. And my max daily loss is max daily is 1.5%. So like three or 2 trades per day. 2 or 3 trades per day. And my break even, BE, my break even is at after a new low is created, right? So boom, 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 I enter here, and once price, so let me make, so I enter here, once price makes this low right here, I go break even. So my trade is running risk free, and for my or my like risk reward, normally it's better if you have a fixed one. Normally it's better if you have a fixed or so like you have a 1 to 5, 1 to 5 always, boom. It's like you always, 1 to 5 is your thing, all good. But me personally, I don't really have a fixed or I just go based on liquidity. So look, I know this point is a trap zone, and boom, I enter here. So it'll say I enter somewhere here, and that thing right here, boom, boom. My my partial is probably here. I got my main partial here. My overall thing is here. I'll probably go break even after this break right here, even here, or even here. And yeah, I'll probably take partials, first partials here, first partial somewhere at 5, or first partial at 4 or 5, or and take my major partial here, and then boom. I go based off like what the market tells me, and that's why I probably should do too. But it's often good if you have a fixed or. But yeah, needs to know your strategy first for that. And yeah, that's what I'm planning to do, and hopefully y'all will be looking at me doing it on the live market next week. And yeah, that's all I have for y'all today, and peace. Let me know what y'all think.